3.3, question number 2, fifth sum. So 1 plus w, 1 plus w square, 1 plus w raised to 4, 1 plus w raised to 8. Now 1 plus w, we know very well that w square plus w plus 1 is equals to 0. So 1 plus w is w minus w square. This will be minus w square. 1 plus w square is minus w. 1 plus w raised to 4, 1 plus w raised to 8. This will be minus w cube. We can always write 1 plus w raised to 4 as w cube into w. And 1 plus w raised to 8 can be written as w cube into w raised to 5. Now w cube is 1. So this will be minus. Now here also w cube is 1. Here 1 plus 1 into w. 1 plus 1 into w raised to 5. So minus 1, 1 plus w. And this is 1 plus w cube into w square. Now this w cube is 1. So minus 1, 1 plus w and 1 plus w square. Now 1 plus w is minus w square. So I will write minus into minus w square. And 1 plus w square is minus w. Because w square plus 1 is also minus w. So this will become minus w. This will be, see, this is minus minus, this will become plus 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 plus. This is plus, this will be w cube. Answer is 1. This is your question number 5 from exercise 3.3, question 2. Now the next sum is question 3. If alpha and beta are complex cube root of unity, show that alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is equals to 0. Question number 3. If alpha and beta are complex cube root, then alpha is minus 1 plus root 3i upon 2 and beta is minus 1 minus root 3i upon 2. Because we have already proved that if x is a complex cube root, so x cube is equals to 1 and x minus 1, x cube minus 1 is 0. It will be x minus 1, x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. So x is either 1 or x is either minus 1 plus minus root 3i upon 2. So these are the complex, this is the real number. So we can say alpha and beta cannot be 1 because we don't know whether they are equal. So we will say alpha and beta is these two numbers. These are the complex cube roots. Now we have to prove that alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is equals to 0. So I will find out alpha square. Alpha square is minus 1 plus root 3i bracket square upon 4. That is 1 plus 1 minus 2 root 3i plus 3 root 3i square is 3i square upon 4. 1 minus 2 root 3i minus 3 upon 4. Minus 2 root 3i upon 4. This will become minus 2. 1 plus root 3i upon 4. So this will become minus 1, 1 plus root 3i upon 2. Answer is minus 1 minus root 3i upon 2. Actually, we can say that alpha square is equals to beta from this. Similarly, we'll find out beta square. Beta is minus 1 minus root 3i upon 2. Beta square is -1 minus root 3i bracket square upon 4. 1 plus 2 root 3i plus 3i square upon 4. 1 minus 3 plus 2 root 3i upon 4 minus 2 plus 2 root 3i upon 4. This is 2 common, -1 plus root 3i upon 4 minus 1 plus root 3i upon 2. I can say beta square is equals to alpha. Now, once it is proved, we can use this identity always. Alpha square is beta and beta square is alpha. Now, let us find out what is alpha beta. Alpha beta is -1 plus root 3i upon 2 into -1 minus root 3i upon 2. This is 4. A plus b, a minus b, it is 1 minus 3i square. 1 plus 3 upon 4, your answer is 1. Because I square is always 1, minus 1. So this will become plus 3 and your answer is 1. Now we'll put it all the values here. So alpha square can be written alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta. Alpha square can be written as -1 minus root 3i upon 2 plus beta square is -1 plus root 3i upon 2 plus alpha beta is 1. So it is 2 minus 1 minus root 3i minus 1 plus root 3i plus 1. This and this is cancelled. -2 upon 2 plus 1. This is -1 plus 1. Answer is 0. It is proved. Hence proved. Now the next sum. Question number 4 is X is a plus b, y is alpha a plus beta b, z is alpha beta a beta plus b alpha, where alpha and beta are complex cube root of unity. Show that x y z is a cube plus b cube. So we'll just write down x is a plus b. Question 4. X is a plus b. Y is alpha a plus beta b. Z is alpha b plus beta a. And we have to prove that xyz is equals to a cube plus b cube. Now we know very well that alpha square is beta. Just now we have proved it. That alpha square is beta and beta square is alpha. We know this. Okay, we also know that alpha beta is 1. Now xyz, it can be written as xyz is a plus b, alpha a plus beta b, alpha b plus beta a. We will multiply. I'll write a plus b as it is. Let's multiply these two. So alpha square ab plus alpha beta a plus alpha beta b square. Sorry, this is a square plus beta square ab. Now from this and this, I'll take ab common. So it will be a plus b. I'll take ab common. It is alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta common, a square plus b square. Now alpha square is alpha beta plus beta square is alpha. So we can write it as AB. Alpha square is beta, beta square is alpha plus alpha beta is 1 into a square plus b square. It is a plus b, ab. Now alpha plus beta. Beta is -1 minus root 3i upon 2 plus 1 plus root 3i upon 2 plus a square plus b square. A plus b, ab. -1 plus 1 will get cancelled. Sorry, this is -1 here, -1 plus. So I'll put a bracket actually. So this will be -1 minus root I -1 plus root 3i whole thing upon 2 plus a square plus b square. A plus b, ab. This is -2 upon 2 plus a square plus b square. So xyz is a plus b. This is minus ab plus a square plus b square. It is a plus b. A square minus ab plus b square. A cube plus b cube. Proved. Because this is the formula of a cube plus b cube. So it is proved. Now question number 5. If w is a complex cube root of unity, then we have to prove the following. W square plus w minus 1 bracket cube is equals to -8. So the next one is question number 5th. If w is complex cube root of unity, w is complex cube root of unity. This is 3.3, question number 5, first one. So w cube is 1 and w square plus w plus 1 is equals to 0. These are the two things. W square plus w minus 1 bracket cube. W square plus w minus 1 bracket cube is equals to -8. Now see, w square plus w is equals to -1. So we will write down this LHS. W square plus w is equals to -1. So it will be -1 bracket cube. That is -2 bracket cube. Answer is -8, proved. Similarly, question number 2. A plus b, AW plus BW square plus AW square plus BW. It is A plus B plus AW plus BW square plus AW square plus BW is equals to 0. So we can say A plus B plus AW plus BW square plus AW square plus BW. This is LHS. We can write A plus AW plus AW square plus B plus BW plus BW square. A into bracket 1 plus W plus W square plus B into bracket 1 plus W square. A into 0 plus B into 0 is equals to 0. Proved. So with this, we have finished with complex numbers. And our next chapter is going to be AP sequence series. We will go with the next chapter. Miscellaneous you can still solve for your homework, so it will become your it will be a practice. जनरली हे डब्ल्यू जे आहे ते फारसं विचारलं जात नाही. आयच्या कन्सेप्ट ज्या आहेत त्या जास्त विचारल्या जातात.